Is think step by step crucial keyword for chain of thought prompting? Nice question, Vidya. I would say yes and no both. Let me answer this question in part of my 1 minute question answer series, which is published on YouTube. You can find more videos there, so consider subscribing. The key phrase think step by step is crucial for chain of thought prompting because it explicitly instructs the model to break down its reasoning. We want it to show us how that model is coming to a conclusion. That's why it is important. So idea is we need to give a model instruction that we are interested into finding the reason behind the output which it is generating, but it does not need to have that exact specific keyword. You may use some other effective variation for the same wording. You can say, let's reason through this carefully. You could say, break this down step by step. You could say, explain your reasoning before answering, or walk me through your thought process. So intent is important. We have to convey our intent to the model, that what we are trying to what we are trying to achieve. The wording can be a little different, shouldn't be a lot of problem in that.